burgers here. Two different kinds. I'm talking about sliding a home plate, just like in baseball. It's exactly what we're doing for you. Two types of burgers. First one is a beef slider. Gonna throw a little chili powder on there for some heat. Crank it up a little bit. Gonna be smoking hot. Salts. And a little pepper. And that's all we're doing to our beef right there. Ground in there nice, get into it, have some fun. Remember growing up at the ballpark. Dad played softball just like we got going on back here. This is the ballpark every weekend. We got that nicely done. Now, got our beef sliders working here. Nice little patty there. Small patties, keeping them small. And with some gorgonzola right here. That is a stinky, pungent, milky cheese from Italy. Yeah, Jenna, can you just tie that one up for me? Just finish that one up for me. And we'll just jump right into the lamb right over here. Well, the lamb's gonna be a little bit different. Starting off with some sun-dried tomatoes right there, packed in oil. Nice flavor to it. Gotta have some garlic, a little flavor pop. Nice. Gotta zest in a little bit of lemon, we will. Infusing it with some serious flavor here. Love zest in the lemon. I'm gonna put a little cumin in there. A little nutty flavor. A little parsley. A little peppery flavor. Very nice. Gonna mix it up here. Jenna, how's it coming over there?
It's coming along awesome.
Now, unlike the beef sliders, I'm gonna hit it with a little goat cheese, a nice mild cheese, so all those other flavors can just jump right out. Look how mild that is. Beautiful. Creamy. Pop that right in there. Got another one ready for us here. Does that look good, y'all? You guys are mesmerized at these sliders here. Very nice. Now we're just gonna hit them with a little oil here. A little S&P when we get over the grill. Time to get busy with these. Thanks, Jenna. Yeah. One steamboat, two steamboats, three steamboats. Yeah, we're there. That gives us medium-high heat right there. First, before I do anything, gotta make sure that this bad boy is oiled down because I don't want those sliders to be sticking in any way, shape, or form because that'll ruin my barbecue experience. Now, we are ready. Oh, you hearing that? It's a beautiful thing. Got our beef sliders going on there first. Couple tips for you. Do not put these too close together. You want all that heat to be able to go all around that burger, cook it evenly. All right, so don't crowd your burgers. Oh, very nice. Now we got the lamb going on. See those sun-dried tomatoes going there? We zested it with some lemon, some parsley. 3-4 minutes aside, and you're good to go. Don't sear them. You'll get your spatula, and a lot of people have a tendency to want to just take this and just smush down that burger. And all they're doing is basically like taking a sponge and just squeezing it. All the juices are going all into the grill as opposed to staying in your burger. So don't sear or smash your burgers, okay? Promise me you won't do that. Promise. Thank you. Thank you. I think these are about ready, huh? You think these are about ready to come off? Yeah, 3-4 minutes aside, give or take. Just keeping an eye on them. Let's check it out. Oh, yeah. Oh, that bad boy's ready to come off right there. It's our first beef slider. Very nice. Now the lamb. Oh. Oh. Come on. Isn't that beautiful? Throw these on a bun and we're good to go.